Hey everyone. So yeah, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail outages in the USA. If Gmail isn't loading, emails aren't sending, or you're experiencing downtime, this full guide for 2026 will help you troubleshoot and get back online quickly. First, go to the Google Workspace status dashboard. This page shows whether Gmail is experiencing a known outage or service disruption. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes what seems like an outage is actually a connectivity issue on your end. If you're using Gmail in a browser, clear cache and cookies. For the Gmail app, clear app data or reinstall the app. This fixes temporary glitches that may prevent Gmail from loading. Try signing in from another device or a different browser. This helps determine whether the outage is device-specific or widespread. Browser extensions or VPNs can sometimes block Gmail. Disable them temporarily and refresh Gmail to see if that fixes the issue. Sometimes experimental Gmail features or misconfigured settings can cause issues. Go to Gmail Settings, see All Settings, Advanced, and disable unnecessary features. If Gmail is still down, contact Gmail support in the USA. Use the Help Center, chat, or email through official channels to report the outage. For US users, regularly update your Gmail app and browser. Keep backups of important emails and monitor Google Workspace status for any planned maintenance. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail outages in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.